Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log in to WeChat Web step by step so you can use WeChat right from your browser. First, open a browser on your computer or device and go to the WeChat Web page. You can also search for WeChat Web on Google and make sure you select the correct official URL. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code that you need to scan with your phone to log in. Next, open WeChat on your phone. If this is a new device, you might need to verify your identity first. Once you're logged in on your phone, tap the plus button at the top right corner of the screen and then select Scan. Your camera will open automatically. If it doesn't, make sure you grant WeChat permission to use your camera. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on the browser and keep it within the guidelines. Make sure to scan it before it expires. If the QR code expires, just click the refresh icon on the web page to get a new one. After scanning, a prompt will appear on your phone asking you to confirm login. Tap Login and you'll be logged in to WeChat Web successfully. Now you can use WeChat right from your browser, chat with friends, send files, and more, all without opening the app on your phone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.